Yo guys, welcome back to another video. So here in today's video, we'll be talking about identification of levels. I'll be teaching you guys how to identify levels on the chart for day trading opportunities, higher probability levels, levels that has high possibilities of market expecting if prices to get to it. So we are day traders. Our focus is spotting levels on a lower time frame for day trading opportunities. And the time frames we're working with is the 30 minutes time frame and the 1 hour time frame precisely. So on the 30 minutes time frame, we have a level on step index. This is a high probability level. So why is this a high probability level? Seeing that the market is in an uptrend, right? The market is in an uptrend. This is the market direction. So we got price creates levels, three bottom levels in an uptrend market. The first level here, the second level at this point, and the third level here, right? The third test of this single level. This is a single level basically. So we got price approach this zone three times. The first test, we can see price pushed to the downside. The sellers pushed market to the downside. When it got to this level, we got an increase in price value. Price pushed back to the downside, pushed up again. Price came back to the same level the third time. So if you see a level being tested three times, either as a support or as a resistance, it means that that level has been confirmed and we have possibilities of seeing price you expect that level if market is to get to it. So identifying a level that's been tested a couple of times, you should put your prediction in check because analysis is basically using past market levels, zones, formations to predict the next move, right? To predict future market direction or future market move. So this is the past move in the market. Same price, we expect this level three times. The sellers pushing price to the downside, and when price got to this level, the buyers came into the market to push price to the upside. This happened three times. So if price can come back to the same level the fourth time, we have possibilities of getting the buy move on this zone. And the moves we've been getting here are all buy moves, which happened three times. So on the fourth test of this level, we have buy possibilities as well, which we can see price pushed up. On the fourth test of this zone, we can see the big buys to the upside. So this is a high probability level in the market. On this price level, this current price level, if price is to drop to the downside, getting to this zone, we have possibilities of seeing of getting a reaction on this level, of getting a buy reaction on this zone basically, because this is a zone that price has respected in the past, a previous zone in the market. So we have possibilities of getting the buy move on this same level. So this is a high probability level, but I wouldn't advise looking out for trade opportunities on the fifth test of a level after getting the fourth test of that level for buy opportunity. You can even look out for buy opportunities on the second, on the third test of a level basically. Not only waiting for third test of that level for buys or sells. You can look for trade opportunities after getting the second test of a zone or level. So you can see price sold here the third time and still bought. Imagine catching the buys to the upside from this level. You make good money from the market even on this little move. And if you're a big account size trader, someone that uses big lot sizes, you definitely leverage on this little move, making good money from the market. So the fourth test of this level, price still bought to the upside. So this is a high probability level in the market for day trading opportunities. So we got another level at this point, which we've seen price we expect a couple of times. The first reaction we got on this zone was a sell reaction. Price sold on this level as a resistance, getting the sells from this level resistance the first time. The second sells here resistance before this level got broken and retested. We got the third sells on this level, this little sells, this little drops the downside resistance before the break above this level. So same price sell on this level a couple of times, though the sells the market gave wasn't neat sells. Like the first sells here, price first faked out a move before coming to give the second test with a fake out as well, a third test of this level. So the sells are not really strong because of the market trend, because of the market direction. And it's advised that we should look out for buy opportunities if the market is not up and not sell opportunities. So at this point, our focus is on the buy side of the market, looking out for buy opportunities. So you can see on the retest of this level, we got the buys, price bought to the upside, the first buys, the second buys. Imagine looking out for a trade opportunity on the second test of this level. That's a good move caught here. After we've got three tests of this zone, the first test, the second test, and the third test here. At this point, the third test here. So on the fourth test of this level, you'll be getting your entries. So buying this index from this point, buying this index from this level catching this little buy move, price push back to the downside, and you won't be stopped at basically because your stop loss will be below this structure, this zone. So stop loss should be below this trend, right? Somewhere here. So price should play around before pushing back to the upside. You can see how far market bought after the fourth test of this zone. After the we said fifth test of this zone, right? And see how far price bought. So that's how powerful these levels can be. Just have good knowledge of them, identify them whenever you see them, then wait for an approach of these levels for your trade opportunities. We also got another level here, same price, on this level, so resistance, what they break and retest the buys. If market is to drop to the downside, you have buy possibilities on this same level for good day trading opportunity. So let's check previous levels. Let's clear this out and check out previous levels and see how price expected, how market reacted on those levels. So we have a level here, a key level, an important level, basically a higher probability level. So we got the reaction here, first reaction on this level, resistance here, resistance at this point. Need to push this one down a little bit. Resistance at this zone, resistance here, sorry, support. The break and retest of this level, we got market buy as a support. And checking these moves, checking the early moves on this zone, market was coming from a downtrend market. So in this zone, our focus would be on the sell side of the market. In this zone, basically, our focus should be on the sell side of the market, looking out for sell opportunity because of the market's direction, the market's trend. So confirming this zone, we got the first test of this level as a resistance, the second test at this point as the resistance, and the third test of this level, which we got at this zone as a resistance. So imagine catching the sells on a test of this level the third time. Remember, I said we can look at for trade opportunities on the fourth test or on the third test of our zone. So here we got the third test of this level, which price sold massively to the downside. Imagine catching the sells here, your stop loss above this structure. Maybe your TP1 here, your TP2 here, TP3 here, TP4 at these lows. All your TPs would get smashed, right? Because price dropped massively to the downside. Then at this zone, we had a break of trend. Market shifted from a downtrend market to an uptrend market. When these highs got broken and taken out, our focus would now shift from a downtrend market to an uptrend market, looking out for buy opportunities. So price bought on the test of this zone. We got the break and retest of this level for the buy move, which you can see. So we're looking out for buy opportunities at this point. Imagine catching the buys from here, taking your buy, getting your buy entries from this level, making good money from the market. If you missed out on these buys, you wait for a retest of this level, which price still bought goods to the upside. Massive buys from this zone to the upside. So that's how easy and simple identifying these high probability levels for day trading opportunity is. So let's check out other moves. We also have another level here, another important level, which we can see price we expect previously. Market's on a downtrend at this point, so our focus should be what on the sell side of the market. That's the first step. So getting the first sells on this level, resistance, first reaction was a support reaction, resistance. So on the third test, we'll be shorting this index, massive sells caught here, good sell move caught on this move. Can see how price sold good to the downside. So after these sells, after the market sold to the downside, we had the break of this level, we had a break of this zone, which price shifted from a downtrend market to an uptrend market. You can see there was a break of trend at this point, and this highs got taken out. This high is basically got taken out, which price created a new high, a higher high. So on the test of this level, which we know that this is a key level, an important level basically in the market, looking out for buy opportunity. You can see how far price brought to the upside. Imagine catching the buys from this point, getting your entries, your buy entries from this point. You're making good money from the market. So that's it, guys. That's how easy and profitable this day trading strategy is. So for more trade teachings like this, do want to smash the like button and drop a good comment on this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and to my returning viewers, I appreciate your support for engaging in my videos. Let me slot, guys. Let's do more and do have a wonderful day.